Most people don't have a money problem. They have a visibility problem. You earn money. You work hard. But at the end of the month, your account still looks empty. That's not because you're bad with money. It's because money moves faster than ever in 2026. Subscriptions, auto payments, digital tools, one-click purchases. Small amounts leave your account quietly. And those small leaks add up fast. That's why budgeting today is no longer optional. It's survival. In this video, you'll learn about the best budgeting apps in 2026 and more importantly how to choose the right one for your lifestyle. Because the wrong app won't help you. But the right app can completely change your finances. Most budgeting advice fails because it relies on willpower. Tracking every dollar manually sounds good. But it doesn't last. If budgeting feels like homework, you'll quit. That's why modern budgeting apps work differently. The best budgeting apps in 2026 focus on automation. They connect to your accounts automatically. They track spending in real time. They work quietly in the background. You spend. The app tracks. You stay aware. Great budgeting apps don't just show numbers. They explain your behavior. They show where your money really goes. They highlight patterns. They point out mistakes before they hurt you. And the best ones alert you early. Before you overspend. Before you regret it. Now, let's quickly look at the main types of budgeting apps in 2026. First, beginner-friendly budgeting apps. These are designed for simplicity and clarity. Clean categories. Clear charts. No complicated rules. Second, automatic saving apps. These focus less on tracking and more on helping you save without thinking. They round up purchases. They move small amounts automatically. This is how people save thousands without feeling broke. Third, AI-powered budgeting apps. These analyze your habits. They learn how you spend. They predict overspending before it happens. Instead of reacting to mistakes, you start preventing them. It feels less like budgeting and more like having a financial assistant. Fourth, budgeting apps for side hustles and freelancers. These separate personal and business money automatically. So you finally know what you earn and what you keep. Fifth, family and shared budgeting apps. Everyone sees the same numbers in real time. No surprises. No confusion. Less stress. Sixth, debt payoff budgeting apps. These turn debt into a clear timeline. They show balances shrinking. They keep you motivated. Free budgeting apps feel safe. Because they cost nothing up front. But paid apps usually save more money. They invest in better automation. Better insights. Better support. Paying a small fee to save hundreds is smart math. The biggest mistake people make is downloading a budgeting app and changing nothing. Apps don't fix finances. Systems do. Consistency beats perfection every time. When choosing a budgeting app, focus on 3 things. First, automation. Do you want the app to work quietly in the background without constant input? Second, control. Do you want to manage every detail and see every dollar move? Third, insights. Do you want guidance, warnings and predictions about your money? The right budgeting app matches your personality, not someone else's. In 2026, budgeting is shifting. From tracking the past to predicting the future. The best budgeting apps in 2026 don't just track money. They help you take control of your future. Subscribe for more videos about money tech tools, productivity, and building financial freedom.